Hello, it's Lex McKee. It's my great joy today to be sharing with you my enthusiasm for my favourite producer of plugins for Final Cut. And it's a company called LenoFX.com. LenoFX, the letters FX.com. Today I'm so excited that they have updated and released their titles and backgrounds pack, which is phenomenal value for money. I think there are 100 backgrounds now, which we're going to demonstrate some of them, and 24 titles. And if you act quickly, there's a special deal on at the moment, so get over to LenoFX.com. Now, I want to just encourage you for a moment, if you're a vlogger or video producer and thinking about upping your game, behind me is a pull-up green screen by Elgato, the games people. It's amazing. And if you want to make the most of the backgrounds and the titles pack from LenoFX, you're going to need a green screen. This thing is smooth. I've had green screen walls, I've had felt and all the other things you can use to get a chroma key, but this has been by far the best. It's so quick, it's so well engineered, it's amazing. And no, I'm not on commission, not for LenoFX either. So I just want to say, doing this kind of thing is more hassle. You've got to light it. Sitting behind me is a very powerful light to give me a clear key from the background. It's a beautiful sunny day, so I haven't had to use my other video lights, but it's a faff. You need to make an effort. And that, my friends, is great news. Because if you make an effort, other people won't. There's a proverb that where the ox is, there's lots of mess in the manger. You've got to clear up after your ox. But great increase comes through the strength of an ox. Sometimes making video, making better video, bolder video, brighter video, more exciting video, takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. But because it takes time and effort, like looking after an ox, most people won't be bothered. If you can be bothered, you can get absolutely outstanding results. So let's have a look at some more of these backgrounds and titles as a demonstration of a pack I'm wholeheartedly recommending. I could look that way. I could look this way. I could look up. I could look down. All the time, movement is happening in the background, and that's the key to this. One of the challenges with doing rapid vlogs, video blogs, is that quite often it's going to be a talking head face to camera. And that lacks one of the most important aspects of good videography, which is movement. Movement is one of the characteristics of living organizations and living organisms. And if you think about it, movies were exciting because they took pictures which were static and moved them. Therefore, if you can't move the talent, hey, that would be you and me, move the background. And that's where LenoFX.com's resource pack comes in so well. So I don't know yet what's going to be going on in the background because I'm just doing the green screen bit at the moment, but I hope you're enjoying the show that's going on behind me. Do yourself a favour, invest in great plugins for Final Cut and take your video to a whole new level.